Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see about how we deploy this one Kubernetes architecture in this one EKS, that is Kubernetes cluster in EKS. Okay, by the end of this video what we will do is we will deploy this Kubernetes architecture EKS cluster, and in that cluster we will deploy one application 2048, and finally we will get the load balancer for we will get the application load balancer DNS name. By accessing by using that DNS name, we will access the application that is deployed on our EKS cluster. Okay, for this one what we have to do is, okay, simply go to that EKS documentation, and to deploy that application, first of all we require this AWS setup. Okay, the first thing is AWS CLI. Okay, in my case, that AWS CLI is already installed. We can simply verify it by typing the command AWS version. Okay, if we see here, okay, sorry, AWS minus version, if we type this command we will get the AWS CLI version 2.71. it will indicate that AWS CLI is installed successfully, is already present in our machine. Okay, and next, if it doesn't install in your machine, just by going through this link and by clicking this AWS CLI, you can get the detailed information how can we install this AWS CLI into your machine. Okay, sorry, here simply AWS CLI. See here, install or update the latest version of the AWS CLI. By clicking the link, it will navigate to the page where they provide each and every step to install that one AWS CLI. Okay, these are straightforward. Just copy these steps and paste in your machine. It will get installed. Okay, and next step is setup kubectl and eksctl. These are also straightforward. By clicking this one you will get all the detailed documentation how to install this one, how to set up this one kubectl and eksctl. Okay, now I am directly jumping into our session. This kubectl and eksctl also already installed in my machine. Okay, we will verify that one by typing the command eksctl version. This will show the version of that eksctl. It will indicate that eksctl is already present in my machine. Okay, similarly we will verify for the kubectl also. Okay, both AWS CLI, eksctl and kubectl, both three are installed in my machine. So I am directly further moving into the next session, next topic, that is by clicking in this one EKS documentation. By clicking the quick start we will get the detailed documentation how we can deploy this application. Okay, for this one also they are saying like prerequisites. Okay, setup to use AMS and EKS. This is nothing but the setting of this AWS CLI, kubectl and eksctl. Next thing is install Helm. Okay, this Helm is already installed in my Helm is also already installed in my machine. If it is not installed in your machine, okay, just by clicking this link it will take you to the Helm official page where you can see the detailed documentation, one step command to install the Helm in your machine. Okay, if for Linux it is straightforward. Okay, you copy all the commands at a time and paste it in your machine. It will install the Helm in your machine. Okay, I will try in my case. Just I copy these commands and I will paste in my machine. It will throw error like this one is already installed in your machine. Because okay, let me wait for some time. It is downloading the binary packages. After that one, what it will do is it will try to install that Helm. Helm is already present in my machine. Okay, maybe due to the some internet speed. Okay, it is asking for me my password. Okay, it is trying to update my machine because the first command is should app get update. It is saying Helm is already the newest version in my machine. Okay, we will verify that by typing the command Helm version. Sorry, Helm version. Okay, Helm is also installed in my machine. So we will move further with next steps. Next, configure the cluster. So what they are asking is simply create one file, cluster config.yaml, and put this content on that file. After that, next run this configuration file. Okay, so ls, let me check. Okay, I have already in my machine already this cluster config.yaml, what they mentioned, cluster config.yaml already present in my machine, and this content also I already copied into this file. Okay, we'll once again verify this one. Okay, if you see, okay, same thing, name web quickstart, region AP South 1. Here they mentioned region code. We have to replace this region code with our region where we want to create our cluster in this AWS. Okay, in my case, what I am doing is I am creating this cluster in AP Mumbai region. The code for that region is AP South 1. Okay, we can check that by going into our by logging into our Amazon dashboard, and by clicking here we can see the regions and the code for that region on side by side. Okay, okay, in documentation, next step. Okay, once again we will verify here. Here okay, and name, I change that name to web quickstart 1. Okay, okay, I will change that to web quickstart 1 to just simply quickstart. Okay, I will edit this file, vi cluster.config.yaml. So right here change it to quickstart. Okay, and next we have to run this configuration file. Okay, by using this command. That is second step. What is the second step? Create the cluster. Okay, just copy this command, and okay, it is throwing some error like creating cloud formation stack, already existing exception stack already exists. Failed to create cluster, quick web start. Okay, it is saying, it is throwing error like this this cluster, the cluster with the name EKS quickstart 1 quickstart is already present in my machine. Okay, let's verify that once. EKS, okay, if we see here, we don't have, we are not seeing any names here. Okay, we didn't see any clusters here. Okay, what we will do is we will simply change our region to Asia Pacific, AP Northeast 3. We will deploy our resource there. Okay, just VI. Okay, what is that region name? Osaka, AP Northeast 3. AP Northeast 3. AP Northeast 3. Where the region? AP Northeast. AP Northeast 3. Okay, run this file again. Okay, now it is creating it is creating resource in the region AP Northeast 3. Okay, as we whatever the resource we mentioned in this configuration file. Okay, it will take some time. It approximately take more than 10 minutes to create all this resource on that region. Okay, once it got created everything, I will come up back. For then I will pause this video. Okay. Okay guys, everything got configured successfully, because at the end of this one, we are seeing EKS, this one region is ready according to the mentioned in the documentation. Okay, in your case also, if you see this message, okay, you are good with everything, and we can move further. Otherwise we have to check what is the error, and we have to configure, we have to resolve those first and move further. Okay, so next step 3, we will proceeding with this step 3. Here, setting external access to the application using the load balancer control LBC. Okay, simply what they are saying is export cluster region, and they are asking to export one variable. Okay, just copy this one. Okay, just copy this one, paste, and here this region code has to be replaced with our region code. In our region code is AP Northeast East 3. Okay, AP Northeast 3. Okay, enter, and next we have to run this command. Okay, next they are installing one Helm repo, help package manager, and okay, just copy this one. Okay, right now we need not to worry about these things and all. In our further videos we will discuss in detail about each and everything. Okay, here my intention is to show you that how this one Kubernetes cluster will be installed and that setup will be set up on EKS. Okay, just they are saying it is already present because I did already these things previously. Okay, next command, helm repo update EKS. Okay, this one also I did already. Okay, now just copy this thing, paste it here, enter. What it will do is it will clone one repo into that cluster and it will install everything that required for this one AWS load balancer. Okay, if here we will see one message, AWS load balancer controller installed. Okay, here also in the documentation also they are showing the same thing. So we are up to so far we are good with everything. Okay, the final step is now the last step is we have to deploy those that application. Okay, just copy the command, paste it here. Okay, okay, this one, third one. Okay, okay, they are okay. If we are good with everything, then they are saying by running this command we will see address something like this. Yes, in our case also we are seeing if we try to access this one from the URL we will see that 2048 game. Okay, but okay, if I try this one right now I didn't get anything. Why? Because this one load balancer will take some time to configure. This load balancer will take some time to configure. After few minutes we will try to access the same URL, then we will get something like this. Okay, I will show you once. I will pause this video for now. After few minutes, once it got activated, I will resume the video again and I will show you how this game will look like in our cluster. Okay. Exactly after 2 minutes for me it got activated. Okay, so by accessing this URL I am getting this like this. Okay, continue to site. Here we will see the application. Okay, this one tutu. Okay, and here the game is very simple, like we have to get the 2048. Okay, until then we have to play this game. If all the blocks got filled and you don't have any option to move, then the game is over. Okay, here it will show the high score and best score. Okay, okay, that's it for this video, guys. For more videos like this, please subscribe to this my channel and I see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.